Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2021 Hyundai Palisade Ultimate Calligraphy Edition. Comes equipped with a 3.8 liter V6 engine, as well as an 8-speed Shiftronic automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather Nappa heated seats, as well as second row heated and ventilated leather seats, third row seating, as well as dual pane sunroof, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, adaptive cruise control, and so much more. Come check it out. All right, moving on to the interior, we're going to have these Nappa leather doors here. Of course, we're going to have our power locks, power mirrors, and your power windows as well as your seat memory. You're going to have your child lock. It's also going to come equipped with your Harmon Kardon speakers. You're going to have storage just on the bottom as well. Moving on to the left here, we're going to have our lane keep assist as well as our blind spot control. And of course, ventilation. Here on the left side of the steering wheel, we're going to have our voice recognition and as well as our volume control. And on the right side, we're going to have our cruise control, adaptive cruise, and as well as our cluster control. So you can access your route set, your heads-up display, warnings, and as well as other driver assistance settings as well. Behind the steering wheel, you're going to have your 2 chrome paddle shifters there. Of course, down here, we're going to have our climate control. You're going to have your drive terrain selector, comfort, sport, eco, and as well as snow, mud, sand. You're going to have your park assist, camera view, as well as your heated and ventilated seats, as well as your heated steering wheel. Just push that. Opens right up for the center console. You're gonna have a USB port, wireless charging pad, as well as 2 cup holders. And of course, moving on to the infotainment system, you're gonna have your map, navigation, as well as Hyundai Blue Link, passenger texting. You're gonna have quiet mode, which basically means that all your radio is going to be put to the front speakers so people in the back can rest. Rear climate control, and as well, this is something I've never seen before. It is sounds of nature. You basically have sounds of sea waves, rainy day, open air cafe, warm fireplace, snowy village, and lively forest. Pretty cool. I've never seen that before. Here onto the center console. Open that up. You're going to have 2 12-volt DC ports, lots of extra storage. You have storage under here with extra 12-volt DC ports as well. Passenger side's going to the same finish on the seat, on the doors as well. You're going to have that kind of chrome glossy look. And as well, you're going to have suede just on the sides. Of course, you're going to have your universal garage door opener, and you're going to have the dual sunroof as well. You're going to have these 20-inch alloy wheels running on Goodyear Wrangler Assurance tires. Of course, you're going to have the paint match mirror cap and chrome keyless entry door handle. You're going to have chrome on the bottom as well, and a chrome luggage rack as well. Hopping into the back, you have your Palisade badging, that dual exhaust, and of course, our hands-free liftgate. Down here in the back, we're going to have Harmon Kardon speakers as well as 12-volt DC ports, extra storage with the splitter, and of course, foldable seats. Those down takes a while. Once we go in the back here, we get 2 cup holders as well as USB ports on each side, and of course your ventilation. Very spacious rear. All right, moving on to the rear, it's going to have that same style. You're going to have the Harmon Kardon speakers on the bottom, cup holder there, 2 extra cup holders right there, speakers, power windows and power locks, as well as got the built-in sunscreen shade for that extra comfort. Once we hop in, lots of legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's seat, as well as USB ports in the seat. You're going to have heated and ventilated rear seating, as well as climate control, a 12-volt DC port, and an AC wall charger as well. Above you, you're going to have the lamps, ventilation, and handles, and as well as that dual pane sunroof. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2021 Hyundai Palisade Ultimate Calligraphy. Comes equipped with a 3.8 liter V6, as well as adaptive cruise control, built-in Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, sounds of nature, of course. You're going to have your heated and ventilated second row seating, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.